Good morning, sir. Before we begin today's class, I observed that you missed out something from the topic you taught us in the last class.
Really? And what is that?
Well, it was... Yes, I read this in a material released by the Institute of Chartered Accountants in England and Wales. I'm wondering why you did not teach us. We are supposed to know everything, aren't we?
Oh, sorry. Don't cry. Do it. You do it. Don't worry.
Sleepy, you came early. Hey, today. I slept well in the night. Every day to sleep. I've been sleeping, but today I'm not sleeping. Exam is already here. No time for sleeping again.
You that will still sleep.
Yeah, we're having a fire.
Wake up, Jerry. Tutorial that is over. We are done, Jerry. 5:37. Do you know how many times I woke you up? Yes, now. Since that you have been sleeping since morning.
Yes,
Adakula.
I have to eat. It's my brain can work very well. Yes,
Nice.
now I'm ready for the day. I'm hungry.
Biscuits, buy your biscuits.
Cola, biscuit, woman. Yes, cola. Yes, one.
Chin, 50 naira. Chin.
Three.
See when you're just coming. We have finished 2 classes already. No, we have been waiting for you now. It's every day you used to wake up late. Now what for you?
Oh, see, exam is here. Oh, this is April already. May is here already. You have to be serious.
I wish I wanted that. I saw you tutorial today. You know you have not been coming since.
As exam is here now, I have to start coming for tutorial. Please, all those notes, the tutorial notes I have been using since all these days. Please, you give me. I will do photocopy of everything. Thank you.
You're leaving already. Aren't you waiting for audit class?
I don't do theory tutorial now. It's just calculation tutorial I do. I'll ask that for theory tutorial. Do theory tutorial now. I'll use that time to be reading in the library.
Okay, now later.
I'll see you tomorrow.